Deep within a sprawling forest, there lived a little squirrel named Sammy. Sammy was not just any ordinary squirrel. He had a fluffy tail that twitched with excitement, and tiny paws that were always ready for the next adventure. His fur was a soft, warm brown, blending perfectly with the forest floor, making him almost invisible to those who didn't know where to look. This wasn't just any forest. It was a place where the ordinary met the extraordinary, where the mundane intertwined with the magical. The enchanting forest was a realm of wonder and mystery, a place where every leaf and twig held a secret waiting to be discovered. It was the enchanting forest. Magic sparkled everywhere. The air was filled with a soft, golden glow that seemed to come from nowhere and everywhere at once. It was as if the very essence of magic was woven into the fabric of the forest. The trees whispered secrets to each other. Their leaves rustled with stories of old, tales of ancient times when the forest was young and the magic was even stronger. Sammy loved to listen to these whispers, imagining the grand adventures of the past. The flowers shimmered with vibrant colors. Each petal seemed to glow with an inner light, casting a rainbow of hues across the forest floor. These flowers were not just beautiful, they were alive with magic, their colors changing with the seasons and the moods of the forest, and the air buzzed with the energy of playful sprites. These tiny, ethereal beings flitted about, leaving trails of sparkling light in their wake. They were mischievous and full of joy, always ready to play a game or share a laugh with Sammy. "My, oh my, what a wonderful place to live!" Sammy would often exclaim, his eyes wide with wonder and delight. Every day brought new surprises, new wonders to explore and enjoy. Sammy had bright, curious eyes. They sparkled with the light of 1,000 adventures, always searching for the next exciting discovery. His curiosity knew no bounds, and it was this curiosity that led him to uncover many of the forest's hidden secrets. He loved his home in the enchanting forest. It was a place of endless beauty and wonder, a place where every corner held a new surprise. Sammy felt a deep connection to the forest, as if it were a part of him, and he a part of it. His little heart was always filled with joy and wonder. The forest was his playground, his sanctuary, his home. It was a place where he could be himself, where he could let his imagination run wild and free. Every day felt like a grand adventure. From the moment he woke up to the moment he curled up in his cozy nest at night, Sammy's days were filled with excitement and discovery. There was always something new to see, something new to learn. Sammy couldn't imagine living anywhere else. The enchanting forest was his world, a world of magic and wonder, a world where he felt truly alive. "I just love it here," Sammy would often say, his voice filled with contentment. The forest was his home, and he wouldn't trade it for anything in the world. Every day is a new adventure. And with that, Sammy would leap into the trees, ready to explore the wonders of his magical home once more. Sammy had a cozy treehouse nestled high above the forest floor. It was his sanctuary, a place where he felt safe and at peace. The treehouse was a marvel of nature, blending seamlessly with the branches and leaves, almost as if it had grown there itself. It was built inside the hollow of an old oak tree, a tree that had stood for centuries, witnessing countless seasons and stories. The oak tree was not just a home, it was a living, breathing entity that provided shelter and comfort to Sammy. Sammy loved to curl up in his bed of soft moss. The moss was like a natural mattress, cushioning him and keeping him warm during the chilly nights. He would often dream of his adventures while nestled in his cozy bed. He would often peek out of his window to watch the forest come alive each morning. The sight of the sun's rays filtering through the leaves, the sound of birds chirping, and the rustling of leaves in the gentle breeze filled him with a sense of wonder and excitement. Ah, my cozy little home. It's a place where I can relax and be myself, surrounded by the beauty of nature. The glowing mushrooms add a magical touch, illuminating the treehouse with a soft, ethereal light. It's the best place in the world. There's no other place I'd rather be. Here, I feel connected to the forest and all its inhabitants. One sunny morning, Sammy woke up to the sound of birds singing. The melody was like a gentle alarm clock, coaxing him out of his slumber. He stretched and yawned, feeling the warmth of the morning sun on his fur. He scampered down his tree and went in search of adventure. The forest was his playground, a vast expanse of trees, bushes, and hidden paths waiting to be explored. Sammy was a very curious squirrel. His inquisitive nature often led him to discover new and exciting things. Every day was a new opportunity to learn and explore. He loved to explore every nook and cranny of the forest. From the tallest trees to the smallest underbrush, there was always something new to see and experience. The forest was a treasure trove of wonders, and Sammy was determined to uncover them all. What new wonders will I find today? The forest is full of surprises, and I can't wait to see what it has in store for me. Every day is an adventure, and I'm ready to embrace it with open paws. As Sammy ventured deeper into the woods, he noticed something strange. A soft, warm glow emanated from behind a cluster of bushes. It seemed to beckon him closer. Sammy's whiskers twitched with curiosity. What could it be? What's that glowing over there? Sammy hesitated for a moment. He knew the forest held many secrets. Some were wonderful and magical, while others were a bit more mysterious. But Sammy's curiosity always won. He took a deep breath and cautiously crept toward the glowing light. All right, here goes nothing! Before him stood a circle of tiny, glowing figures. They shimmered with a magical light. Sammy realized they were the legendary forest spirits, protectors of the enchanting forest. These spirits were known to be ancient guardians, watching over the forest for centuries, ensuring that balance and harmony were maintained. Their presence was both awe-inspiring and comforting, a testament to the magic that thrived in these woods. Oh, wow! The forest spirits! I've heard so many stories about you. My grandmother used to tell me tales of your bravery and wisdom. As Sammy pushed aside the last branch, he gasped in surprise. The sight before him was more magical than anything he had ever imagined. The air was filled with a soft, golden glow, and the leaves seemed to whisper secrets of old.
Hello, Sammy. We have been waiting for you. Your courage and kindness have not gone unnoticed.
Their voices tinkled like wind chimes, creating a melody that seemed to resonate with the very soul of the forest. It was a sound that brought peace and a sense of belonging.
We need your help, Sammy. A great darkness has fallen upon the Whispering Woods, and only you can help us restore the light.
A magical acorn? I'll do whatever I can to help. This acorn must be very special. What do I need to do with it? The spirits explained that a dark mist had fallen upon the Whispering Woods, a part of the enchanting forest. This mist was not just any ordinary fog. It was a manifestation of an ancient curse that threatened to consume all the magic and life within the forest.
Thank you, Sammy. You're our only hope. The magical acorn you hold has the power to dispel the darkness, but it must be planted at the heart of the Whispering Woods.
I won't let you down. I promise to protect our home and bring back the light. I will find the heart of the Whispering Woods and plant this acorn. We believe in you, Sammy. The entire forest is behind you. With your bravery and the magic of the acorn, we know you can save us all. And so, with the hopes of the forest resting on his small shoulders, Sammy set off on his journey. The path ahead was uncertain, but his heart was filled with determination and courage. The forest spirits watched over him, their light guiding his way. They knew that with Sammy's help, the enchanting forest would once again thrive in harmony and peace. Sammy had never been to the Whispering Woods. It was a place of mystery and legend. But I, despite my small size, have a big heart. I bravely volunteered to find the magical acorn and save the forest. The forest spirits were overjoyed. They gave Sammy directions to the Whispering Woods and a magical map woven from moonlight and dreams. They warned Sammy about the dangers that might cross his path, but Sammy felt brave and ready. My journey was not easy. I encountered babbling brooks too wide to jump over and had to build tiny rafts out of twigs and leaves. I climbed over towering rocks that seemed to scrape the sky itself. I even outsmarted a grumpy badger who wanted my acorn pouch. Throughout it all, Sammy never gave up. He remembered the forest spirits and the fate of the Whispering Woods. He knew he had to be brave. The magical map shimmered, guiding him towards his destination. Finally, Sammy reached the Whispering Woods. The air felt heavy, and the trees stood bare and lifeless. In the center stood a large, twisted tree, shrouded in darkness. It was the source of the dark mist. The forest spirits had told me about this tree. Deep inside its gnarled trunk lay the magical acorn, but the tree was guarded by the shadows of the mist. They swirled around the tree, their forms menacing and cold. Sammy knew what he had to do. He took a deep breath and bravely darted past the shadows. He climbed the twisted tree, his little heart pounding. He found a small hollow and carefully placed the magical acorn inside. As soon as the acorn touched the hollow, a blinding light erupted. The shadows shrieked and vanished. The twisted tree shook and trembled, then began to transform. Its branches grew thick with leaves, and vibrant flowers bloomed. Sammy watched in amazement as the light spread throughout the Whispering Woods, banishing the darkness. Trees that were once bare burst forth with new life. Colors returned, and the air was filled with the sound of birdsong once more. Sammy returned to the forest spirits, who greeted him with cheers and applause. They showered him with flower petals and sang his praises. Sammy had faced his fears and saved the Whispering Woods. He was a true hero. From that day on, Sammy was known throughout the Enchanting Forest as Sammy the Brave. He continued to have many more adventures, but he never forgot the lesson he learned during his quest. He learned that even the smallest of creatures can be incredibly brave. He learned that with courage and kindness, anything is possible. And he learned that it's important to protect the beautiful world around us. And so, the Enchanting Forest continued to thrive, its magic stronger than ever thanks to Sammy's bravery. And every night, as the stars twinkled above, the forest spirits whispered stories of Sammy the Brave, a reminder that even the smallest heart can hold the greatest courage.
नमस्ते दोस्तों, हमें उम्मीद है कि आपको हमारे चैनल किड्स कॉर्नर में मजेदार एडवेंचर्स और कमाल की कहानियां बहुत पसंद आई होंगी। अगर आपको हमारी कहानियां, क्राफ्ट्स और गेम्स उतने ही पसंद हैं जितने हमें, तो मजा मिस मत करो। हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। सब्सक्राइब करके आप हर हफ्ते बिल्कुल नए वीडियो देख पाओगे, जो रोमांचक एडवेंचर्स और मस्ती भरी एक्टिविटीज से भरे होंगे। बस उस सब्सक्राइब बटन पर क्लिक करो और घंटे के निशान को दबा दो, ताकि आप कभी भी कोई मजा मिस न करें। आज ही हमारे किड्स कॉर्नर परिवार से जुड़ जाओ और चलो हर दिन को एक नया एडवेंचर बनाते हैं। देखने के लिए शुक्रिया और अगले वीडियो में मिलते हैं। अलविदा।